Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2016 BMW M4 3-liter BiTurbo DCT, a high-performance coupe with an M performance kit, premium technology, and track-inspired design. From the side, the BMW stands out with 19-inch M alloy wheels, a carbon fiber roof, lowered suspension, and Alcantara steering wheel with M stitching for a race-inspired feel. At the rear, the BMW features a carbon fiber spoiler, carbon rear diffuser, and quad exhaust tips, enhancing its sporty and aggressive look. Powered by a 3-liter twin-turbocharged engine, the BMW delivers exhilarating performance with adaptive M suspension, an active M differential, and M dynamic mode for ultimate driving precision. At the front, the BMW features a gloss black kidney grille, LED headlights with high beam assist, and an M Performance carbon fiber front splitter for an aggressive and aerodynamic stance. Stepping inside, the Alcantara-wrapped M steering wheel with M color stitching provides a sporty grip, complemented by paddle shifters and multifunction controls. The extended Silverstone Merino leather seats offer electric adjustments, memory, function, and heating for maximum comfort. The center console features a BMW professional navigation system, Harman Kardon sound system, Bluetooth, DAB radio, and a head-up display, ensuring a premium and immersive driving experience. The rear seats provide premium comfort with merino leather upholstery and ISOFIX mounting points. The spacious boot offers practical storage, making the M4 a perfect blend of performance and everyday usability. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote, registration M400JSX to book a test drive or request a video tour.